How to make video call on Signal. Are you guys facing issues to make a video call on Signal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To make a video call on Signal app, open the application and log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, go to the chat with the person you want to call. At the top right corner of the screen, you can see video camera icon. Signal will start a secure end-to-end encrypted video call. When other person picks up, you will see them on your screen and they will see you. You can also switch between the front and back camera during the call by tapping the camera flip icon. If you want to turn off the camera but stay on audio, just tap the camera icon again. To end the call, tap the red button. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos on this channel for full guidance. That's it guys, that's how you're gonna make a video call on Signal application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.